Gigabyte GeForce GTX 1660 OC6G Review. Absolutely the best entry-level graphics card. For the longest time the PC gaming world was experiencing a drought of new graphics cards, and now it seems we're amid the great flood. Nvidia introduced the GeForce GTX 1660 Ti just a few weeks ago, and now GeForce GTX 1660 cards are coming out of the woodwork. The Gigabyte GeForce GTX 1660 OC6G is a standout version of this GPU, as it features a decent 45 MHz factory overclock and enhanced cooling, and all for the low price of $219/£219/$389. This is a fantastic graphics card for full HD gaming, especially in the competitive space, or if you are just starting a streaming channel. Price and availability. The Gigabyte GeForce GTX 1660 OC6G rings up for $219/$219/$389, which makes it the lowest priced Turing-based graphics card you can buy right now. We were already impressed by the value that GTX 1660 Ti cards brought to mid-range gamers at $219/$259/$469, but this card lowers the barrier of entry into PC gaming even further. What's more impressive is that this new graphics card is so much more affordable than the $299/$249/$499 Nvidia GeForce GTX 1060 it's replacing. The Gigabyte GeForce GTX 1660 OC6G also heavily undercuts the AMD Radeon RX 590, which has typically retailed for $279/$249/$425. Specifications and features. Technically, the GeForce GTX 1660 is still part of the Nvidia Turing family, but it lacks many of the features found on its siblings. Among the things you won't find on this GPU compared to other Turing cards, RTX or GTX, are ray tracing cores, tensor cores, and even GDDR6 class memory. That's right, all you get is the same GDDR5 memory operating at 8 Gbps speeds, as found on the original GeForce GTX 1060. Having said all that, this graphics card still features a TU116 GPU fitted with Turing-based shaders. Although the GeForce GTX 1660 features a lower number of CUDA cores, and don't forget about the slower memory than its GTX 1660 Ti sibling, it gains higher base and boost clock speeds to make up for its deficiencies. The Gigabyte model we're testing here also adds a little extra special sauce with a 1830 MHz factory overclock, which makes it a no